Ever wondered why Catholic churches have benches while Orthodox churches don't? Or why Catholic priests are celibate while Orthodox priests can be married? These are just a few of the many differences between these two major branches of Christianity. In this video, we'll dive into the key distinctions between Catholicism and Orthodoxy, exploring everything from their leadership structures to their liturgical. Orthodox Christians consider Jesus Christ to be the head of the Church, while the Roman Catholic Church is headed by the Pope, who uses the title of the Vicar of Christ. This is based on the fact that the Apostle Peter received full and absolute authority over the entire Church from Jesus Christ. Then Peter came to Rome and became the first bishop of Rome, afterwards transferring this power to his successors and disciples, the bishops of Rome. This status of the Pope is embodied in the concepts of papal primacy over all other bishops and their episcopal sees, and papal infallibility. The Orthodox Church, on the contrary, considers all bishops and archbishops merely mortals who are vocated and ordained to perform religious services. In the Roman Catholic Church, priests and bishops must observe celibacy before and after ordination, while deacons must only observe it after ordination. In the Russian Orthodox Church, deacons and priests must observe celibacy only after ordination, which means they can be married. However, if their wives predecease them, Orthodox deacons and priests are not allowed to remarry. Also in the Orthodox Church, bishops must be monks, and they must observe celibacy before and after their ordination. Traditionally, Orthodox priests wear beards due to religious reasons, while Catholic priests don't wear beards, because the papal seat is located in Rome with its clean-shaven culture. In 1570, Pope Pius V defined that Catholic believers must perform the sign of the cross from head to chest, and from the left shoulder to the right, using all 5 fingers of the right hand put together. Russian Orthodox Christians perform the sign of the cross with 3 fingers, the thumb, index, and middle, put together to symbolize the Holy Trinity, and 2 other fingers pressed against the palm to symbolize the dual nature of Jesus. Also, the Orthodox sign of the cross is performed from the right shoulder to the left. The Holy Communion. In Orthodox tradition, Holy Communion is given to infants from the moment of baptism, while in the Roman Catholic Church, the first Holy Communion of a child is usually performed at 8 to 9 years of age. The Eucharistic bread. In Roman Catholicism, unleavened bread is used as the Eucharistic bread in Holy Communion, while in the Russian Orthodox Church, bread made with yeast is offered during the Divine Liturgy. Church interiors. In Catholic churches, benches with shelves for kneeling are common, while in Orthodox churches, the central space is left vacant so that the parishioners can make bows when necessary. In Catholic temples, the altar is located in the chancel, divided from the nave by a chancel screen. In contrast, in Orthodox churches, an iconostasis separates the sanctuary area with the altar from the nave. Mind blown? We've only scratched the surface of the fascinating world of Catholic and Orthodox Christianity. From bearded priests to baby communions, these ancient traditions are packed with surprises. Hungry for more religious revelations? Smash that subscribe button and join us on a journey.